The commercial vehicle industry is moving fast. Here's some of the top headlines right now. First up, Ford is making a big move in logistics. The company is launching Ford Precision Logistics in Kentucky, a new effort aimed at improving how vehicles move from the factory to dealerships. The idea is to increase efficiency, reduce delays, and give Ford more control over the delivery process. Next, electric commercial vehicles just got easier to find. Harbinger's electric step vans and cab chassis vehicles are now available on Comvoy.com's national commercial vehicle marketplace. This makes it easier for fleets and business owners to explore zero-emission vehicles built for real-world work. And lastly, in case you missed it, our latest publications are now live. Commercial Vehicle Pro Edition 17 takes a closer look at market shifts, emerging technology, and strategies helping dealers and fleets adapt in today's changing landscape. At the same time, Ford Pro's Issue 86 focuses on Ford's commercial ecosystem, from dealer programs and upfitting solutions to tools that help businesses get more out of their Ford work vehicles. Stay ahead of the industry. Read the full stories now at the newly redesigned CVBnetwork.com.